African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Welcome to the transmission. This is bring back to this morning edition of shows. Tony McCoy is your host. And we'll be doing that to 10, all right? So let's go to our motivational message now. Take time to improve, but don't waste time.
Take time to improve, but don't waste time to prove. Yupo no tatati yoyi abe amare betasawani ede yintoro kyota alabe wutoro mu ojengoro ki no tata wo bodi nena fiore na doro fiore ngo improve yourself in boy kapla na me o katala bodo po kama boy the for it for banto kama ku class man you re kan cha bodo po nkema ya wa improvement na ba na for gatro bodo po na le ka tuna dale mangoi mo ta ka we aba tu ga ro ba ke nya to ka ta wa tu adia jo ni la ni nyao mi ma nyao o bi lo ni agbe ke we ni la ni ku ya mo ni ma ku ya mo e ka ni ni ta ka la come ni ta ka so whether you are aware or not or whether you accept or not, life is a constitution, right? And hope you like that I'm more hope you let top I'm out how hope you let don't stomach allo she there are people that are competing in the red ocean and others are
competing in the blue ocean. Not about competition, about really me. Don't even now after queue. I know I will like another chance. So you improve yourself, you outdo your past and improve yourself. Take time to improve, but don't waste time to prove. You improve yourself and outdo your past. That is blue ocean, blue water competition. Competition, probably can you meet or can make a type of Jamia in back here, but Niacha Papa Papa, Niaga New Regia Ucha, that would choice bonana blue, blur, would choice kavai, won't cake libona, neblihu, blur won't cake kavai, Alabu choma and I know by here. Name you are like a lecture. Ye New Yorker, one never could you bear over Betty Biao, the devil, matter of man. Daka, if you waste time to prove, have you ever Konyan, Beshapana, Pumia, Pushima, Tibiano, Bama, away, then you are not doing good to yourself. At the end of the day, I want to hear in your heart if I will, Nana, what I like, Betty. Isha we ma ba down the ba cha ma ko ba cha egbe when you down fa fian ko simple don't prove but improve magabe ya bona ma go when you we no bro and you ko mi o mama na go happy we no we don't do it that way according to what we have available today ni ke maybe me strong go spend time to do better than you were doing. And I think that's a good way of starting the show. Kamusugama who don't you be Albert, I'm working on Banana on the Shakaba. Then we throw Mia Azore Ngo no TV album. Magajo.
Oh, no silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a so fi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view and you know the view canola basic level and you know Americanola SHS and you know Americanola University allo language on nanya make manya be view e be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make nanya be view mo jura po and be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile ko so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa cover no akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eyina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Không còn thế mà đi bà đã quên làm đồ mồ cái tụt bụi ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tuổi một vò nhà quăng giật có là cái là những má vật phăng thì mà ta thăng mắt chung mà nó chỉ có vô luôn
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukanya gbogbo ya wa base hasbena di dile nuna mfia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya pa no pati bani ko hi wonta nyani kuranwa wala pati ko nya ko katara gbe
bo mà nó chỉ có
vai patakano sugo itabi gada de sikremontonto wala pati ke wa busielo wetofina
Mayira vola togbo ye no chika ko mokpong jeje
vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nya to motoro ha wo za vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona una masa
vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola
viva law akuloli le fuda now alele le fuda now domadu le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu kame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka matutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo ye vo
yo ya pon kola akona mi le mi akon ba ko to chicho mi ma ha draw bo abayin ba ti ko ni yo na ni achi Tony Macboy le zo kwa yi ye ble Priscilla Basi ele ma bo Priscilla le ke wa
Okay.
Let's we can have
Oh, Malta. Okay. Revival no me asile church da.
Revival. Alboga, le que yo leo. Albogo. Albogo. Obo mi ga ju ten la na mi arju.
We plan Gina. There is 6 months to come.
De mi plan ali ya vi gana wana se manta.
Me my payment. Tami wa half of the year. Tami aga blali jikowa. Kacho half a kakako you.
That little bit banally.
Oh, me do not go na the vote when they put me do. Nga wana di kapri mau. Ana mi ave kadodo pli haga.
All right. Me tell me about no bike bona nya jojo ke chunya bon tomo bon ke mia ai holiday.com news holiday.com news na nya jojo kaka bana le ke chunya bon ban to ma fie ke ja ko ba ya tipo anye tuga tona acha bon ka ye nya jojo yu ke nchamu unchua u le nya bon to ma fie da nya bon ka ye weekend I love regional, I know, very beautiful. Total Luma, you call a whole central. When I do, you just make a fiado shijiwana. The fiado shijiwana talk at a Luma do, if you can see, I know what I Jakata. I'm a gown, got you got a gown to so that was Saturday, and it was a beautiful event. Although Tommy and that many big story, my children enjoy Volta Regina Fia, a few other Fia gown out of Oga, Uba Laguna, head of the traditional council. Yeah, so remember Kumaragba. Togbega Agogwe Aja Denu, the 11th Crown Paramount Chief of Lume. So that's what we have. Togbega Agogwe Aja Kofio Bonkoja no young na no Achaduna Lake Ule. Togbega Agogwe Aja Denu with a Kelia Yenye Efiagane Lume to Enye Lume Lume ne to Tabiepe to Mache.
Okay.
To Tabiepa to Mache Agayimboye Lume. Manya Lumo, Tukuma Lume.
Lume.
Lume. Alright, so we have that one there. Fuel prices to change daily. Fuel prices to change daily. Over later more over pricing policy. That them ponyo. Mubashano tromba ujube toto a moment me pashi. So that's another interesting thing there. Stop the naysaying. Believe in the future of Ghana. Stop the naysaying. Stop negative talk. Stop negative talk. We are way church negative. Mahama, believe in the future of Ghana. We who Ghana kwa chomejise. We who Ghana kwa chomejise. Nya jujo, nya yokemejo, nya madinyao, nya yokenye negativism. Ma suffer gonna yamapa. Our negative, if you have amo na fona edo nga ka bo do mu na bo it is well.
It is well. I'm be a Ghanaian gamela si o chego shortage kumepo.
Ke maga bo I don't have. If shortage are negative. Mama get a prophetic lane Stop the naysaying. A naysayer is a negative talker. Those who are in support of them will say, go say nay. Say nay. So stop the naysaying, believe in Ghana's future. JDM. Bejujo, Nyamadi Nyabobora, Mia Deni Baganashi. Ghana, our fatherland. Nigerians were our motherland. Anyway, if you are prophetic, Galamsey is on the increase. Galamsey is on the decrease. Anyway, Nigeria don't go man work in Nigeria. Nigeria don't go wait till bomb here.
Nigerians want to give me power. It is only in Nigeria that look at Jonah.
Thank you. Yeah. And you get me. However, in our country, honestly, it's normal.
Never don't cut like it.
Remember, we are used to stress.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Nigeria for you. We are used to stress.
Nigeria. You are looking for a job in this economy.
Stop the naysaying. Stop talking negative things. Stop. Mama, you send the Aleke phone to the country, but shag the radio, TV, journalists, so and who put you Ghana Ghana. It is only Ghana that Namade Imo Onye MD said in a type of NDC. Onye NDC to backdoor to go like one. Which country is this? Such a corrupt system. Now you see, you may to couple up Susumuga, Miamile, Yadi, Nyombiare Brown, Nana Yebuanama, no Yebuana, Nana Yebuanama, only journalist.
Yeah, Nanama.
GH1.
Nanaba, Anama.
Nanaba, Nanaba, Anama, ye blonde TV, Thursday was Friday, very. Ne put chance are. Allo, Akboro, never when I eat there to call. However, I say,
when I food.
However, Joe, if
it is legal.
It is legal.
Then run for it.
Mama, stop speaking negative things. Stop talking like you don't know God. Me no Ghana. Speak Ghana, eat Ghana, chop Ghana, domestication. Diophias and Gajo. Nessa summer, Nabe, Nesse, Hala. Say, she could get a prophetic memory. You go straight.
No evidence.
Munyama kaka nyama yuto, enyo ne mionto miaruku aleke miano positive star. Nyanyi to la family negative. Nesse nya shugata. Masa segama bonyane ke bojo, but the mo. No. I will not do that. Eshala in a positive boom no mapuna rabo ya to my back. I got fume mecha from positive mabo. Fume bi mecha from mapuna. President John Dramani Mahama has cautioned Ghanaians against persistent negativity towards the country, arguing that a culture of despair erodes national progress and dishonors the sacrifices of the founding generation. He said development hinges as much on civic disposition as on policy. Du kopla bomede du kora yirengore mia du me fiu pak benono pofu bremu na on ha le ma fi du ko ina rengo manya du domaga le du koplo la de re fe aforo alo aram plus pe ro yo ke ti so mola alo dowo yo alo nu on ko da du mo na ikwina na du ko ina rengo mia pak benono our disposition your characteristics. Addressing congregants, I no wonder. Addressing congregants at the Ringway Gospel Center of Assemblies of God, we expect. Addressing congregants of the Ringway Gospel Center Assemblies of God Church on Sunday, the president decried what he termed as growing resignation among citizens who doubt the nation's capacity for greatness. He contended that nation building requires collective belief, moral discipline, and civic responsibility beyond governmental action. Oh, Mahama, if you do what for Madam Agengoyville, to me view where Kakareji, where Jihos to come have the dim alebebe. Elbow Blomber. Oh, Fifia Ivako to come view Kata Oma to call where me Jim to cover and boy. Tare, but Mikatami Miahu to call this, Mikatamia. Moral discipline, but Muhammad said, our forebears rose because they believed their nation would become great. Forebears, I'm looking at the Ghana, we shall quit Ghana and to Koga. That's a question. In many of our societies, people give up and say Ghana will never change. We can never become great. He describes such sentiments as corrosive to the national ethos and antithetical to the vision of independence leaders. The president took particular exception to commentary suggesting Ghana will have fared better under colonial rule. He characterized those views as a betrayal of the struggle waged by Kwame Nkrumah and his contemporaries, and as evidence of a deficit of gratitude and historical consciousness. Yet Ghanaians to instead embrace patriotism grounded in truth and service. Benjamin.
Ebe duko blola, ene boblo bedi. Mianto duko mi huese, de duo me mi leji bedi. Mia pongo beyi, abeleke mi to bito bio wedi, o huese lo. Oje eduogo me ole independence you mechi do kwese be mi abano mi ado kiwesi dedeka yata order for vanuna mi menye jirudu do wala ku hana be hana nani mi otu come fiereche eje be mi pere yuenu mi kwese lo mi weleke abe edo berani de kwese be egbehe dura ma wa dunu nai yata elegbe dura ta ele jojo be apo emechunu tane edo berani ma o he kwese ke duome ke le ke jibe ma woni na ya no le duome o me ko esere duomo de mayingo sibe ko bo mi abetu ko lale
Nkene pocho nya onchi alem be agro paraveri amaro fu on fiabe Ghana anyo une yo fu ga mi apron o kona Ghana ko sa le South Africa ko South Africa yo bu bro bu kakakaro 1994 ye South Africa ko fishi ta ono ifu weko plotel no boyo mabuka kaka ba yefu ro kutu kolo si o ba apartheid manya oto miato ye colonialism to ya baka ya ma ame bomre ko e bra de wodu pro te skuli mi ame bomo de no chocho le ame bomo de no ngu faro le ame bomo de faro le ame bomo no mi chi mi kuma patare ko woto ro fo Africa kata le bebe we struggle for independence yeah Nelson Mandela, but logo. He tell me, over who South Africa, but it's different. I'm never very choose Yavi. Kakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakakak but this is different. Ours is colonialism. Or Romiac. Akeya, you vois Africain, Toya Fia, Aber, Chusubako, Kakakaida, Azadia, a Fia, catch of Fia, Taiwan on a Pacama. South Africa, ever to go again to Pocosha, to go to Shigala, Africa. Ye die, never by over the flight or wagon, and when we show me, go to build your country, go back and build your country.
Manuel, Yaga said to copy me.
Well, maybe me that she never got ever do no, now your food, let me see your wood. I was South Africa. I never And you see, never can Nana in
Nana Banamo.
Nana Bama Nana Baana Moa.
Nana Banamo.
I'm a provider to but I'm going to go Nana Abba Anamwa. Makadonia, Yanni, so swim up. Because Makuya, but I know you are serious.
Even if it is legal here, don't waste it.
That's a bad example. I'm making on a TVG, you get your horse. I don't have no money.
Many to home of me at all over the Cobu. Many at all you vote the other when you go out Ghana.
Ah, South Africa, my vote, Dolly.
And
you vote la Fuma, la Boa Honiba, a parole of we know to us.
Still, hope independence.
Ah,
that's nice.
The level of a century. But we only have to do it. A barber, I may have phone to me. A good Thomas on here, where colonized by your development. If you have independence, like what I think she know, company will have my manager. She got no that delta. I'm a bonado, ona she can do more fear she can. A boss side, a diamond, a mini. Yeah, man, Yakubiama. I guess Zimbabwe, to corporate Chimago Zimbabwe, Queen Jory. Mugabe, Banya, Fugata, let or let him Mugabe press Zimbabwe ban. Let's go back. Everybody. And Nangagua, ya soja, the Pula or which the Papa, let you got a little more for the time. May have a few more push away. I will push away neighbor. Nagagua Hagaba, Muma, Mugabe came, in my joke because by this way I live for me. I never have from you. Tawe miga gloya church yo bonyale edi maunya go church na ichore ba kuma bo America ni yesu na mamanya go go mi krola shi
Akpa to me aka come next step.
So please la choya cho baji na la shoya ya na ko au Ghana
We me kula nya nyo dem ya betu ko ne nyo na me betu
ta mega nya ma 0242670773 you know making a transaction or at your then we have 0242670773 kanyo susucho ya montu kokola lenchi nya ta ko fe enough ni ami nyele chacho Gamila University kra over that don't most about my money with that Gamila. But Robert, I believe I tell you how go where we can fly. Hey, my millions to me can me am camping in my sukato. Go where there's no law against thinking big. Sarka Mapu. You know, people talking about be rich. Come grab a rich. Not believe I'm rich. Go ahead, brother. I see you driving limousine.
I receive it.
And you mama Paulo.
I receive it.
So I see you in you are stigmatized. I see you driving like you are not bug.
I receive it.
I see you working in your bank, gangas or bank marrow, bank. Now believe in yourself. Believe in that. Yeah. All right, me try there who did not come. Nkala Jimafia. Over. When I election governor. The youth of the New Patriotic Party (MPP) has announced plans to stage a demonstration in Accra on Thursday, August 8th. Oh, many going by your minimum.
I think so.
August is the Alavia. On Thursday, August is checking. Over Thursday, August is can you meet them, alleging what it describes as a sustained erosion of constitutional governance and democratic freedoms under the administration of John Dramani Mahama. In a Facebook post published on Sunday, August 2, accompanied by artwork bearing the inscription "Democracy Under Attack, Demo," and the hashtag Save Ghana and Say No to State Capture, the youth group called on Ghanaians to participate in the protest to protect the country's democracy. That be talking about a circular dodo you can to crack on that's the constitution article 1+1 court blood or you can to apply to go a rollaba ya plenty more photo mo kata ta nke mai ko rugo ko da gugun padi o menyi mai ke
Funny news.
helicopter mai ke wo a ro fian ro ko padi o kula ma nke mai ke nke ko ko nya ko bas so nke ka yo demonstration we no go agree.
Maglobe many open rain and your pulo ya tabunu voice beba nuka.
Oh, so the group alleges that the government has weakened several pillars of constitutional governance and listed what it describes as a pattern of actions that threaten democratic institutions and the rule of law. Among its claims, the MPP Youth Week accused the government of interfering in the judiciary. Kotreka na ba mutu na yimo kotreka na ba se na tama ko mutu ya kuma 20 years selectively apply justice. If you're going to cham na mo ba si chandala jime America like a you chana ora shama nchi ola me ora shama targeting political opponents while allegedly shielding members of the government national. What conversation we having at 8 o'clock in
Okay. dasi.
JJ, ayo kude manye military government to that she banto. Military government to that in the interest of Ghana. Yeah, me with them. Ke JJ ko shakore do wanna JJ lecture ayafi. Umia shata mi. Mia shata mi so nya nya grown every. Akuru ki ami okuru ki ko sabo JJ a upra do mo. Ase ko man. Yami to ko no don. Okay, fine times. Every year do go on a state nana. No, go ya assume party job. How many small. But 14 years. One the people for 14 years. I can know your to boy man. Charlie, I don't know. I don't know more. Your papa died 14 years. The Bagan provision of Maudu with the sweat for Shapa. Who don't let you know more. Being one maybe Shapa you to boy out of the family. Okay, but or could you junior for a capway? No way. But we are thinking by the Yano Yapusia. I want to lecture on my go for a strong picture direct young friends. I don't think I'm okay with that. Money.
You're okay with the money.
If you're making a negative with that, the positive, we will talk through.
Oh, yeah.
ECG announces load shedding in Volta and OT. The Electricity Company of Ghana has initiated a temporary load management program in parts of the Volta and OT regions, following a technical fault at the Ghana Grid Company's ASIEPE box supply point. And ASIEPE. Obo yo chicken alabe mbebna ASIEPE ntom. Genya person na nyafia se manya ASIEPE manya da klofi. Sister part madobano ASIEPE. Le Volta fia obo fuma ke rolo jo wa ko le rafi mana na mia mu photo na. The intervention is intended to stabilize the national transmission network while remedial works proceed. And according to ECG Volta and OT regional statement, the exercise will be conducted in 2 phases to manage demand and prevent cascading instability. The utility said the measure became necessary after engineers detected a transformer challenge that compromised supply reliability. And what I could do, but where transformer carry like transformer the affected the first phase targets institutions and communities, including whole technical investment. Fiamilo, Uwojuchiga Technical, Snitch Flats, Police Headquarters, Ghana Water Company Limited, parts of you as main campus, Pando Township, Hawkway, Juchiganami, Jessica, Juchiganami, surrounding areas. The second phase will affect Benway, Balance Newtown, Itakla, off Stadium Road, whole Central Market of Akwefe, off Depot, Danigbe, Alabanyo, Unkunya, Uraura, Kelepe, Ziavin, Kwanta, and adjoining localities. ECG indicated that outages will be rotated to limit disruption. Eunice Chuneba Kodia, Public Relations Officer of ECG's Volta and OT region, said engineers are working in collaboration with Gridco to rectify the fault and restore normalcy. She urged affected customers to exercise patience, noting that the temporary curtailment is a protective step to safeguard the broader transmission system. The development underscores, okay, all right, detail now then you get from transformer. Mechanized of the Danyama for the when transformer blow,
Oh, Obene Chileja, he got plugged to the blue.
Yeah, me negative bro with that.
Me blue, we try to video. We la see pe. Fike ge machine gangan ki we na na be judu na mi aba o meri. Ele Ford video po. Ta ana be one odo wa lenu. O ma tan chijole ezo biti mezile counter. Chocho ko inala ego ba padewe ni o ma pojo. Ta o le to ego do me magede eve. Akpado wa o ma pojo echo ke akpa velia wechela I think Wednesday ocho ma pojo. Ta fi de said ele ocho wa jajira do de ejo chichi.
Na ko asidechi ko fridge ma gba
To fufu
Hey, you know, we wish them well. Me, you were more than to come. Nemi be chuchu la na mi afi munanyo mi no problem. Ichi.
Eke mi abe wanyanyo ko.
The share me bro. Mama Mama you ready? Like me abuka kaka na ba komple wa me wala ke mawalo. Like nge mau sinyani nyongole. Nyamu we want the color package you never can go away. Like nge mau.
Eno we bo we no jo. I think I jikuko mene wa.
Oh well, mi apa ngora nana jol fika menye mienya lume right? Lume yeah lume. Ala ba odofia ga la lume nyawona ide ikelo chon ala kreke bebe le nyapa ko central afia and it's a beautiful thing to have achieved. You can to caramel you when you cover about the cover of your woofia homa what the tuama about Usogi, JJ Agbati, Fia, Makayu, about JJ Fia, Manakapo, Alaba Uanga, O Fia Napoli, Makapan Toma Fia now son. I couldn't get on negative. I over for Tafia. And I go, I'm on your recipe.
Like, oh my dad's because
Toby the Prehodo, Regional House of Chiefs, Obama, in India, Toby the Prehodo, in the Senya Regional House of Chiefs, Fifi Amiga negative Nanaka. I should call a boat of young, a gun of water. She may have she got a few money. I even broke down, she come look at she got down. We believe, yeah, she got me petroleum, a little boom, I will get that more petroleum. Tinto petroleum, both side, diamond, aluminium, manganese, and more elementary. I will get remember fuel shadow. I got a fuel shadow. Utopia, many are you. Many are you. And that original part. That if you are sure and negative, not a don't lemon, Eurofia, doggy. No, that are all jagger, young Bob in Yaya Joe. It's negative, not a couple of Fiola. Me brona, a tammy, Fiana, Jimmy Solaka. Hey, Tobega, Agogwe, Aja, Temu, Mali school there. And your Mali, you gava to Kinja. Oh, Mali, future. We traditional witness invest define nation on the traditional authorities, a multitude of Lume indigenes, all gathered to affirm continuity of two people and collective vision. Address, Rural Majesty articulated a governance philosophy anchored in cohesion and human capital. He said, I'm committed to promoting quality education, empowering the youth, encouraging economic growth. Still that punya so no So, for picture, so like, just feet, actually, yeah, by this is okay. Don't put yeah. Party partners, Supreme Court that all registered a good thing of political parties should not vote in the selection of the party leaders and parliamentary candidates. He argued that conservative financial preference should use in terms of the parties. Daily I have you yeah. Booster yeah.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. But see dictionary akara so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language on. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a still make nenya be view mo jura po. E be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Na le dile ko so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi African la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno akpe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your Strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel bo tututututu. Afima emye le nyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 256300.
Oh, what is that? Go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. I too much try to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother too much to move. I'm not go. Oh,
that another Abraham fever, kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband had the dinner without fear. Coco not enough for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party cocoa for Yahokatara base. Vai, Batacano Subo, Itabica Dada Sicramonton to, Vola Patricawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Ira vola togbo. Ye no Chicago. Mokbong jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Miapa tuto wala tuto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna ira vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala kwakwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eba senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola
Viva low. Aproli le foudre now. Alele le foudre now. Domadou le foudre now. A chita padaka. Ufuto makata. Mele to one you a tima clonoba. Naila vola heba center. Ikele jango applaud. Victoria Park. Afima na kodoro. Wotu akame. Wakuto. Wofukame. Wofukame tutu dokata. Vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on.
Vola.
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo
Yeah. Yeah.
generation, electric power generation, But initially, talk about unaminya to voter with alami affair. Most of me affair equipment or for boys who make to news to make order for. Give la all the pressure like the government or energy minister. If you are not doing for very well, so as well any affair voter with all the affair performance reflectable. So you are a pressure actually here at the him a proper the case is the word solar who cannot because I'm at the way minister solar a beba for the national load shedding you everything specific if you have a nation or the door I saw a touching at all police concession allowed to around
throughout the week throughout the week when you Baba should time with this schedule Kakakala Road Friday Friday maintenance or anything happen because if you schedule on me from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in Dia, around 12 a.m. Maybe if you have a progress alone and the G that show the popular. Wow, the transformer have fully operational. At least me have a low current play our RTD and for the fact that somewhere match cover no fit because on this set I'm complain about every 5-10 minutes TV achi local rate is super just even to bear the phenomenon culture begitu do na ya kakenu me wele no back crack o nya go quality the car o de one da misi da le ko ble kwa wo de ji ka wo de ju agbo ba na bele ko je ne no ne business wa okay
Africa today. Apostle Cornelius Sappho's body was not laid to rest early. Second record straight, Adjua Sappho stripped Akopena in unanimous decision of seriousness against 1 over. Setting the record straight, Apostle Joe Sappho's body was not laid to rest early. Adjua Sappho stripped Akopena in unanimous decision of siblings against one another. Apostle Cornelius Sappho over Adjua Sappho, but Akopena nyaya, vaya pai, amen vaya Adjua Sappho di Akopena the cafe vaya lagi tu punya. No gadgets achieve haro di dia. NDC 2026 internal election chief residents and
Dabuji, NDC team regional chair. They urged delegates to vote for him, praising his dedication to improving grassroots lives.
Richard E.A. Sappho to launch KEEA NDC Deputy Secretary urges delegates to vote for him to boost grassroots development. Sack lands minister now. Baku staff and citizens demand action for President Mahama, citing misleading public statements, saying disputes and intimidation claims. Critics doubt Arch Holdings' ability to restructure Baku on 18th.
NDC 2026
welcomes new Dagbon
region
NDC
to work
2026 general elections, internal elections. Haruna Idris welcomes new Dagbon region. Pledges support for Kam Pakuyana Yakubu Abukare. Kam Pakuyana Suple Dukopola Ono Dagbon Tomara Oro Fiaye. Unkoye
Abukari
I know this is where you open the door. High Court rules on missing gold in Sesi Edem and JG Resources dispute. Komiga Emadi, Komiga no Tata Lafma, Obo via Ocho Afia over Shikarabu, Sesi Edem, Komiga over Obo for Shiran Anu Matbeto, no.
Mumba Bro. Komika by Mumba Bro. China
Tonya Renchi, Oba Yuawake, Domoga, Milashi, Atoplanchilami, Commuta to Planchilami, Milashami, if you have a high court rules on missing gold in Sasiadem. Honorable. Okay, but high court rules.
Okay, you do some initial comments on this.
You are Manja Cometro, Adwasafu, I can make an interest in fee because at a point, I mean, the terminal or in chat, funeral, they court of force decision thoroughly. Who made you a going chanting a car, a jar by G. Everybody who bow for today. In my battle,
President got create to the Bennett to come here to the court chance whether you are in jail or not go jail one. I mean, or search or Gaga Nivan they are in chance, Nanen Abenuma, however,
you are
number of days.
How will I be?
I think go back 15 days. That were in chance. I bet you the same problema. I may allow 2 days to the funeral. They are over on chance. At the end of the day, daily fetch, I bet you the metal self at your support on time. That another 4 by each. I think they will go. Now, your when you look at the number, probably actually, see a live animation, they create the woman, comment. It's that over it, claim out of the and that let's say, the minimal will. Jacka, that's no calendar, the Jacka, even among over supporters. Because I'm military people, I'm military people, now with your band, that is it.
Because
then you can go to your bed. Kaga, but the cat make out the papa. And you toy alone. That is all. For me, I think it's a good one. The high court. Okay, so just a quick one. Okay, so you know what? I've been discussing that thoroughly. Like here, court processor. Never. Court. Be a court member. You boy, you know, one way. I will in the process for order. Happy what I'm myself. Happy court belly to Alomonia, chip blocks all out. Covering American Yaka. Was signed. What the sign was on a file. Mtu soko ni na lawyer lawyer ma ya sana gala show ne gbere na lawyer ya lawyer da ko so mi to ma fi extended ajo asa fun to lawyer enya be na o na court rule gba test ya prime type na the date in order change that was stamp happy also order valid order happy won to agara jiga na den ta belly show na to free ata bi on to ga ko na belly my belly back I'm out for my tiage so what you go
Yeah.
I don't know. High Court rules Sesi Edem and High Court rules on missing road in Sesi Edem and JG Resources District. Okay, the Accra High Court, Commercial Court 3, at the Law Court Complex presided over
by His Lordship Justice Dabang
Bekwe has delivered a ruling on the ongoing and road dispute between Sesi Edem and JG Resources Limited. This report will be done with an agreement involving the supply of 50 kilograms of gold. JJ Resources maintains that it fulfilled its financial obligations under the arrangement. However, the various delivery figures that have entered the public domain, approximately 29.2 kg, 30.8 kg, and 32.2 kg, all fall materially below the contracted quantity. When Justice Bekwe dismissed the application seeking to commit 3 directors of DJ Resources Limited to prison for contempt of court, many assume the case had reached. You see, I can't read it. This not go right. No, right like this. No, I can't talk. I'll talk. Council of State member, I could
All right, the insight, read the insight quickly. Mahama Hills stores recovery. Okay, Mahama Hills stores recovery. So President Mahama
to position the Tema Refinery as strategic driver of Ghana's industrial future, at the commissioning of the refurbished crude distillation unit and the reception of Ghana. All right. Crude distillation. No so that's that. So that's a progress of that. In fact, let me we'll go back. We'll go back on that. All right. Yes. So Tema Oil Refinery set to hit ECOWAS market. Edmond comeback reveals refineries West African business. Nyami Kaje. I told you there. West Africa. Armed landguards allegedly besieged Kwashiman Warren Chief. Let's call for IDP help. Over the Kushi Badagba, Mahuga, Yoga, John Anibashi, over what a Kwashiman. GS market traders appeal to President Mahama for planned relocation and demolition.
Devastation, Ashicaro, Corpora by Europe, over the Wag Bashana, or Kaka, whom are to run Europe, GSA, Ghana's Standards Authority, begins bold research to protect Ghanaian consumers, unveils aggressive compliance and safety drive. Ghana Standards Authority, you fear you won't be at all. Julius Debra challenges KNUS to turn research into transform.
Of philosophy in museum and heritage studies.
Ojua. Politicien ni betul cakap nak syurga ko esu masa. Okay, kira bocor topik yang mana?
Yo, I think that ake vivi na mapu mchungu da hanya to. Nuzi yo eleji le to. Ya ku eleji jiku dynamic. Living with the CEO pe ambition and over the capopo you are the West market.
Just like country people where Sri Lanka, please a list of poor people, all one compared to 1 to 28 years. Maybe Ghana check me about document because then you saw me and nearly similar in the Ghana, in the Ghana. Then you have me a Kakoduda, why the Agri, at the little tall and the Kaka for Koduda, yeah, come Betaga Bugua Coco out. Yan to me at Dele. That any whole Dele in Noir. Overseer, as if they are added, and you put all as in a put torture, overseer, because you did the next block over who don't fell a GD, they are not annoyed. Tanaka me about the before. And we can't go and move out and give the law of Asia, the Ghana torture, our purpose. And we are winning a research agenda, any campaign at all. And we did the level Ghana, me and some whatever, but throw me up economy. Any see I come here now, but I so boy no wall and no wall and that Ghana la. Me and Tommy and so that and I know yes, that you said but particular to your president first plan, let's see what they do the shadow of Ghana, so never so no, I'm Ghana, any particular. Havana, tell me a Ghana, so me a purpose. Second one in the last.
Like 042670773. Amabuha, who do not message to Facebook. But other you hear the Facebook message, you will no Facebook. I get what WhatsApp here. Topic like I can blackouts in the border region. So these are 3 topics. So Banto, maybe Apuma, Obodu Chigara, Obodu Chichi, Alawe, Machine Donation, and so on. You're going to be blue. All right, so the new crusading guy, MPP alleges political interference in Sedina Ationu Akrita announces August 6th protest. MPP told women Sedina Kama Group, the you wish a manufacturing for them, the Chiwana Shabana Yapamo, Fullerima, the new professor Sanayo. Tanka Kubu over the Bubu, Muniru pemutara betonja kematutua no demonstration waga we no agree and all right, public outcry erupts over FBN Ghana's handling of court ruling over employee dismissal. Okay, over on of thing is new man we regini aruman shregini abubelo rabupenanda jungwa on offing is just the other man and she
BCM donates to Kolebu Child Health Department to support critically ill children. Jacqueline Obong Mensa leads Vito's S-Class technology-driven transformation vehicle inspection. Wura royal family rejects reported gazetting of self-styled Wura Toma, Minister for Distance Demand. Obo Fiara Uru Fisher, great sort of panel, whereby government probably should no, when Concord said Bannerman, over Paddy, many fear you are not. All right, Ashanti Region MPP needs decisive leader, not flip-flopper, chairman. Ashanti MPP talk Ashanti over Yohiana Mantotoika and Yomi. You have a flip-flopper, Yalo. Okay, honorable, MPP talk over your and the
na kupoka kana saleke nya sidem MC don chi da pot nya yo ke nyem to yo ulam da mo abama ko nyam ko se ke na ko ta do ko ta ko ka ma se na me tuna po nya nke a yo ra shi se dinanchi ya
yo ape mene sure be said na pe nyai enjoa on this studio la comments okay
ni kapito attorney general nyagbanto the don man honorable elikem to boy over ame yo kenya prosecutor yenye prosecutor de bovitonye ebenanya bovitonye nike nona bovito to pa kefe kona me ko dash ne bo bengbegbe olo the prosecutor is police shigero kata nya chief inspector daga upadandora yenye attorney general nye jidudu kwa senyalaga ta ameke dona dangno ameke pa gberere tola enye attorney but police amnya ba manya senyala onye na makoto the prosecutor is actually a police officer in uniform working for the attorney general in criminal case abidama okay da over prosecutor nya ka go fedame da prosecutor attorney general
the state because those states are between the Senate and the Republic.
Attorney General at that time.
Corporate Jami. Me have Attorney General at that time. The second Attorney General have your New York back client will back door and no coach then over court and no you check of case wala abeya fanya bromile. Ta court fanya kifu le bokolo
abemele mo ni nya bokana la lo ta attorney general nya confedami ye no nya fi opro sedina tam to boy the court mo donyo aw mi se ma won
now state ele bokolo be neto proof effective alo enya ko cho the sedina mude evidence ko je be ne ko support here na be you are jail neto proof beyond doubt be na me sia me ko la nya be we nu ke ala element tututu ma pop mistake deke alo court to deke le hu court e be meton proof beyond
court wonka okay
e be meton proof beyond reasonable doubt be allegation who the allegation who told the said in our ewa do court take ale gbogbo be imese mebede eba mede fiti ya kwa me cover court ya zo ya ewe tehe broba me fiti ya ele gbogbo ne amie de la amie bo ne provide evidence ne justify if you have a burden of proof be okay ebe metiti ya come in the court ya me back to court instead of what provide of evidence la ebe you allege be metiti da enyema proof ma show be la na metiti.
Okay, never follow le sema over he who alleges must.
Yes.
He who alleges must. I mean mama you the ball do for amaya for buma and young background ta e obi to for ocho said in a summer to call the quarter what to pedal jim grave that time for young background
during process under MPP because that time la I think CEO then that's no Maslow sticker Dr. Stephen Amwa
Dr. Yomas Palo
during the cross examination sticker payment they carry you payment they have payment the company might supply ambulance the whole cost that loss Ekai, that made you payment 2018, they make Kai CEO. And we said now, I said now, NDC power 2015. Said you payment 2018, they Kai were payment. Now, look at time they cost financial loss. All of as at the time, for the similar, you probably inflate cost of the ambulances. You renegotiate, you have to Tanahe Eo cost eleko jebene you assume that me inflate. Ya you over you go baru negotiate. Ya go afi kefie anyanso me kefie de. Wa ba china be enye me cost financial loss the state. It's one of the camp. Ya na tabedi judge ebedi. Ometo prove over case beyond every doubt. Be amiedi enya dati gana fe gama alo cost financial loss.
Togbolo ma bialo. O ne shiva ya America. Minya beno konya vea o choga dashina bo ke ameo ke cho ko ve ke prosecute to o pe bado jin choga ko dashina bo ta ke jo na va wa ku ma pilu ha a paper mo po mo paper mo ro nya mo ye ne ba ye go de ye ne gba me ko bo e me de to ka ka me ase e ja o yo free
ke ke je go me de no. Even as baby na me gbelon. That check for let the case be like evidence or whole presenting la enya so to le nya tro.
Ta le ke. Aje na de ro nya me.
Efe la me gbelon. Ya zo be o. Ya
honorable ohun so ngbo lo. Ohun so o le iko. Yenye manye prosecutor lo me ya ja. E ma tunya re. E ma mabijin asanwo. To kunye na jisenya la wo ke yin bala wo apia aja go de gonye ma me na create be ma je na post ro ki o shibe de ye gberu pa
no na be ya gberu pe de me ya gberu
ya nka wo
le so wa jola
na pot ye o bi a treat do ko ni a do ko le o ye ro ke fure ni ya
communication at the end of the year. I said now, let's 2022. About the case 2018 Bova, Yao Jagome, Yao the case Gome. Eventually, Ghana between 2021 to 2022.
Listen.
Extradition process or only similarly, the prosecution evidence fell short of constitutional standard. The court criticized the trial judge for losing sight of presumption of innocence, Article 19 of the 1992 Constitution. Now, do you know you are the CEO of Maslow, and Maslow gives no. I don't want to go there. So you know what we are going to do? Look at your present you. Honorable, so you know what we are going to do? Let's rather educate the public. Yes. Make sure one more. Very important. Okay. So bring the money. At the end of the day, the Lord a guy a master of account man. And no mommy and cannot go Ghana will call you pay a for ya. Maybe no call Ghana, a dear boot, a local Ghana,
Yeah, but a dog, you will go and the bootsman. I buy logic. I carry me logic. I carry to Jim, and your boss. And I'm going to confirm my logic. Bank Blibo check for sign. Rural bank, let's educate the people.
Evidence matching here.
Amare go passes. Mia will not gaga, but never like by Madonna Bob passes. Watch your fena. Puvitona can learn market the church book. Ella Bena Cunya Bacota, charge a low foin cabuna lama. Ye mo una corabede a sudden lagana. Ye get Brobama Umba Blama. Colonel Quiravo, Barrogin Caliba Maumba Blama. Canyon Young Puma, play court proceedings man. Uvitova attackable no. Or share a man. aka nimba bele ke tutu wazo a yenye yale ta waten charge the kind of try na manage that charge ya watan release on that but you can be rearrested and tried again on another charge. So these are the issues that we are playing with. So Attorney General do the Supreme Court anya the Supreme Court go
yes tano nya ikwa evidence ki hele ya na tabel then me a court e be lu kitchen ko na be mi ka me a be lu gede at least me a be to me the lawyer cha me the lu kele be at least be burden of proof la ma don I ne accuse am na ma shi no do wala maybe no ko e ka me a be ku gede ta said na penta me lawyer e be issue ya be go be ja me ku gede cho
yeah hold on me ma mi bro mo ba yo nyanye malafia brodo ekodo bo abebe no proof abebe no proof ma ba mi bo ko mi awonya ela be said na tam kro ko megbi yoli demole ta fifia mi fa nya jojo kakalo funji nya jojo kakalo ta mi keta mi afna no kom ale ke ko na wontu mi dogo mi ko ne ho mi ji ba mi akọ said na tam kro le court na yibo ho mi akọ ka wo atrophy mi akọ ra be Afufugano, and Tony McBueno and Fiari. That's what I want to see. And now that Kurumuna, they are this Alishi, Galicia, what I America. Miam milk and your normal level.
America, don't happen to be well. Don't happen to be
iya beta pele looking kaka pele ni na gbogbo kaka necessary tradition go man if you go senya na koge we grade US actually ma ko the US court wa ko evidence akona US court na le evidence am wa ho isebe do ma hia o mbebe afi wo gbedege afi se to na la mala America
de if you be the profit nya kabare ya extradition avec Jami Benyeche extradition process.
Nyama henam.
Da no fear evidence ki to Jami konne US court ni no le fabricated.
No, fear de ni mo gbo eje je ga beta le Englishman prima facie. Agbara de prima facie. No ta problem. Ewo wo ni abe do ma here o gbo e prima facie evidence. Esa go mara tayo gbo gbo fifia de onye nke. Tro na ide mi ade.
Immediately up to now, this US court here Egbelo for charge of allegation put all everybody.
Come on.
Most of the charges say OCP, OSP, most of them are baseless. And
ruling now.
There's no the long and short in the safety that is not guaranteed. No Vagana. Because
hold on. Ya grown lady. Majiba nyasra no sebe. Keno freta mafu hado. Mareke mimu nya jojo areke arobe. Dede akcho kwata ne bobe oforiata. So we are still in the process.
Yes.
Then the ruling
process LG.
So let's wait.
Briefly,
forget Yama.
Oh, okay, court Ghana.
Honorable, my great impression in Yasalobadi. Can no Furiata Vola, Mapovola. Mavo.
Ya glome bede, ye me fo de mi le pen ko yesu bo.
I don't know about.
Le view. Attendez, net bova e view body. Never tell pen ko ke mi nya be o ko mi wo fete me da de ko.
Kola na nyang be blola to hog elanye ke no foriata o. Elanye se dola tamaglo. NDC na LSGO, NDC mana LSGO. Na nyanya be blola kwa. Eji be na Metrolens. Vamijo takes over. Vamijo takes over Metrolens. But bona onya blogalo nyajo jobano. But ride hailing market.
leaves both Uber in the review. 100,000 rides completed since May 2026 as homegrown app gains momentum. Albertoria. Dani madre to gana bisa ga ko ba ko ma ji fami joa home ye ganye na ne ke enya ba gold e be na yo le funji wo fa enya fami jo ba bola nyo ko nyanya. All right, Naimos raids homes in Chebi, impounds motorbikes from homes, beats residents. Ober National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat. Ikea Jiru Moyoko, the Sashina Bono, Black Legan, said, Blow over young Wakumlin, Chebi Tom, and Chebi Tom. Ula Mubamoto, Ufu Amaro Papomo. All right, democracy under attack. Demo set for Thursday. Henry Nana Boachi Ikenye Amo Mfupu Epo Amo Mfule NPP Mene Kanakata Mano Direct Bona democracy under attack. Alec NGC democracy burning. So some you show to the security they will go over the swap. Yeah, then I thought.
Na example there were nketa
me ebe odashi say that she mutumi hanyanchiro nyamo enye na
ta case only nketa da say now mutumi check case
obo
that is some of the evidence we will for witness account do o allege be appel Dubai plutôt allege be appel ta mi se ya che me fi abede ma ko mi appel gama me fi abede mi appel Bafa stock o be me pele ndu wahab ya che mi se be mi sa operation jile how me fi abede mi azipio sky train me fi abede e gama sky train mi azipio
e to me fi abede e pa do kale to fosi hamno ko ti me ambulance yareta pasre kaya fi rashi makawe rashi
no be na yiji tamu akọ evidence or present o pe no case recommend
mo nya me bia ma do nya ti me be maka attorney general ka pe
okay and mi abe attorney general
ayeni ye da shi
ta ko case epete
o be is a useless
case evidence or egbele on one
court o ya ayeni akote
no one of every press week o case kela abe
he's not interested
evidence me leo many alo me le duko ya me CC independence e kai mi se ko be the attorney general ayoda the alleged or accused person ano format dey bene brole be na me blen ne brole be na me blen le court plutôt e ke mi case la IG kaba bela you are prosecutor to force because president a pressure night under which Enuke president allow since the fourth republic ya dey make IG
nkinyo ni blom le be o bo blom be de asier ntonton brare ebe nyanu pota fi yero je bo shinpi bo munabu nyamwa yo hachi yikenye new attorney general ko be you are correct
e probably like he said na pe na earlier he said na judgment similarly sigbeko nyabe attorney general Damia sigbeko wo case e maru evidence obete mele title burden of proof like I'm accused persons so I no justify no proof sigbeko wo no mi ta ye never pe one look at the one ban here and justify me and approve. I don't no. Yeah, I see the computer, the mitana headquarters, why state and gambling? Because the judge of the city, or if there's any allowance, I don't look at all, court look at all. No, if I can't gambling this frivolous case one, then no trashy.
And ya when you were a master of I got the master of war. I had a book, I have not.
But the form.
Make me have my money in a corner man. Dollar and a corner.
Oh, the regional director, tell me. No, that and I have bloody.
Oh, do God, talk back down.
And
then regional director, regional manager. I know you show you have about farmers from Napota. But
yes,
I like a branya. Emma Kafla. In the woman, I'm a queen on the reception of my old email. You're for Grandma kind of. You could laugh, man. Nana Kamajimu, a woo, the crab, woo, Umaku Waro, Elna Gamwa, Rubu Gaffrey. You're not out of any. Now, open demonstration, democracy, democracy, now, men can you, men matter, and look at me already, me for me up a and I'm a master of even under the 8 years under the NPP. People go distribute master of God at the table, actually. And don't have Omega. People go distribute. I can't know, Richard Man. They are not about even and Damia paying if as it allow me the gap for master because Omega Kadeko, manager. No, that can give a NPP. Don't who master of God. What don't carry the episode? Element. Recover. A master of God loan now. Tana here where they want make sure that the Amiola recover. Unlike Abelaka advanced Ghana, Crypto no make your over to shopper. Master of Nukomaga, Obama Hoga, Tale Master of God perform. Yana Tamia Global no. Democracy demode. Yawa Tonwe. Gakema prevent me better. I make a tohe dugale ima hogala siwo. Ne dugala nya hwe. Because omato china mi bere ihoga benya palugu damde umeona neko. Omi hwe. Nde sia de keiji everyone see the penny mi hwe be Ghana. Ta ema ya no jado democracy cheche ala. Ya nuko ya no we. No we fa no we. Haile mi awu. Enuko jebe ne mi wo na dunya pe Ghana nya hwe. Alright, very soon. Alright, are biting so hard. Yes. The regional tribunal said, "Play man talk about alright." I say that guy am the hobby. The daily banner. Let me be a demonstration. Mahai miamo. Go. You can go to hell. Name you but no mialage. Eli kem chomo. Now, make sure that you hope permit the police over and pepito. I mean, na economy. Make sure that you involve police you by real police and Kakanика, Ujamian woman. Name police nano mianchi, Yamak Manjima Shabanting, Plato, Wanya, Ahase, Plato Mokata, Missenia, and Romia from do the right thing. Mamma Numia, Mega Amaroka dog for free. Then make sure that your demonstration when you have to make a boys are all Nima, Plato. Ovan Glombe, Moimi Papa. Me make you fake demonstration and go. Get Ghanaians on top of your demonstration and not to go for another demonstration. Kakamejin and a fake. That's it. Be lawful, be the police or board, and by road. Now, a more you could give me a swan, as a make a brother, who, Nkuroji, 1 hour, I join with the Johnson. All right, the Daily Banner. Odinho is the only one who can revive MPP. Youth for Victory Chairman Victor said, "Big like politicians who came in, like Amarana Chukwa man is the only one who can be in the name of it. What's that? You know, it doesn't sound so good, and it keeps going. It keeps going. When you're in this MPP, is the only one. Ooh, this is some political party. Oh. And American Manomi, America. So, JJ, don't cry like you're my this year. So, what is it? Sam Jonah charges UCC to lead our AI era education reform. Sam Jonah, when you no, I think it's okay, UCC.
Yeah, Sam Jonah, AI. If you ever more than don't pay you can damn para, you can fungi if you are mission chunchi no by nature. Man on this slum government over Damang mind you. Elegy over Jibua that you now let them Tommy some beto. Kampakuya na Abukari, the second king, as regent of that one. Now, if you have Gampu, Evia, a lot of would be the weekend, a lot of couple of all right, the new publisher, quickly, the new publisher, the new publisher, from sharing room with corpses, Emmanuel J. opens Born to Prophesy. From sharing room with corpses, Emmanuel J. opens Born to Prophesy. Okay, yang Glorilla dekat iman dalam buat, rumah babu, ikutnya Born to Prophesy something like that. We never check balance. We said that selective justice failed promises. Apa you making rates NDC government? Apa you making bagbo? NDC government dia kebe about 24 economy man. Doreka ametona we, dia tona bereka man. Vivia amo ko lamulo kamunya NDC to. Kamu kunya NDC to ora shonchi ba kayo ko fina ba be free. Mbado dokata you do na you mafam. Apa you making boya. Court fines man 40,000 for not marrying lover. Court fines man 40,000 Ghana cedi for not marrying lover. Me no careful. If you have your renya, wong drolare adagbe. Be amare ke dum bene yo baby be aji. Kemo ba dio na 400 million. Ala ba betre nyom via dum bene medio. Big play now down no. Ano blano ga khonsi mo do baby do Ghana. Plato ga. Ta fifia nkubu bumi na the UK bo. Na proposal there's an intention to create legal relations. Na blame people mado. Na ta na mo fia na no pepena mu awa no. Nya no plato. These are all services. 40,000. Shutterfest UK cancelled over crowd crash. Shatawale malafuma ngola shine employee over the UK by na shut up first na mo bole airport ma nke jo nke na jo o trouble no for wara mejeju da amu ba subaro amu no film bo film no yo ko mo nonsense mambo shata come back la bayo ya de pro o ono
yo akpe Emma kesi abe eke alukumia ko ya na ya court charge amede fine the disappoint ameda about along the line who no we have the manager no to no support it actually no support it that the fact that they are the along the line and use over to make our me fear
you see, moko ko iba nya fia biba so ya baba ko ngara ba no ya ba ma do yo shia aba bo ko da ke ne ji ka bi ya ko na sam na ba na ko ko no ba to na ne ba be ji ne be na ko fia ka ni do horse ba sa na ba niyo ka ko no wa shia ko ni o ta ne mo
so,
because the thing is clear. Court fines man 40,000 for not marrying lover. Elle clear. Remember for borrowing money or when you romance kind
for not marrying.
For not marrying. A bonima medega. One more mago.
Ekele loko nami abe ncho chedi. Acho fine. Ben to show what I'm see the court.
I never know you're going to be alone.
You know, ya later on, ya over to the money. Which I told you the court, they promise you they are there.
Okay, only. I don't approve evidence, but you won't be alone. Approve it. WhatsApp, message, but on your back, you back, you clone a home, a perfect.
Ya
ntwa
che atom proof de. Beke ebe ya de ya. Ya ta che mbeji. Ne ya
Melakati luhurem. Abo chokati bo abati nem yo kya bo de ya wo du tu lo na na mo abo chokati to ko ba do re ma fi ba do wa na ka mo na mo jo.
So the yes, I think the 2024 election in our province is good. And then
the topic I will tell you one topic. Province, the 2 years. We have more time. Daily guy who give up master of God, but please, we don't trust you. Government, let me just school, government, everything government is inefficient. Do you understand? So please, don't come and tell that you are going to open another everything happens, even US. Just make the system good. It can be any bank at all, no problem. Look at women will bank women that in Iraq and I go to support you. I'm going to get the area people. All right, move beyond remittance to investment. Global CEO to diasporans. People make diasporas. I think it should be diasporians. I don't diasporians. Move beyond remittance to investment. CEO of Global to diasporas. Diasporans. Okay, that is diasporas. I'm looking at diasporans. All right, so Sami Malafan, Sami Jenfiwe, Mokatale, Betato Kom, no, tu as des notions les que on va gagner. Avant d'autres offres, alors, et puis d'aller, à mon année quand on gagne, mais j'ai mais il pas nos gars vivi donc de pour monter avec pour monter de l'Amérique que les go $100, $200 comme et mari donc on avait you know akpanana mini fiale amokura e blomon and it's a good one. Okay, UCC must produce job ready graduates. Sam Jonah. Tribunals are kangaroo courts. Apanyumaki. Ese over if you none of the corner nyapa constitution and we have a that's about our tribunal. Apanyumaki, those are kangaroo courts. Chobwe court wema mima like you NBC talk people talk lama to these are rubbish courts according to minority leader. Dami criticizes Senator Cruz Aquita. Dami Beko, Senator Cruz that she and another Blunchi, the corner Chachinamo. Man jailed 10 years for defiling stepdaughter. Young Chuare Lefia, Gamia Lefia, Odimo, Opo, Alabe, Eva Blashire, and woman, Yanto, where a chicomebi. A strong or chicomebi, Coagbo. Like a shinchi, a common Libya, Manu. Kam Pakuya na Yakubu Bukhari skill that one rating. Right, so this one we have Honorable Churaka, the capo. Yara, she policies and man, who are Parema, and okay, what doing America.
You are no, the match of Mantoye, Samiji Fibeco, the diasporas were allowed to toilet better. They instead of the one, no, they can do that. The Ghana, I don't know if you want no invest in Ghana. Like, where I invest, I build businesses where I know invest in a business, I pay paying Bali. Now like Gadino expand to Toela. I'm a dead that's right, Galaxy. Yabo, I invest in paying back and if started one on the BBC. Let it on the next case. No secret. That instead of one guy, no invest in local businesses. I think it's a good call. Dan nyaka alwaka komya be won kebo yes enyapo bla no cha papa no woreji be me be one oka treaty do da be no to hockey no invest there nya be economy echebe
ya ho to investment
nya be no was there at the end of the day at least I boost nya be local economy I boost nya be local economy at least I create more jobs when me am work day play my way, especially job aspect, like very important. That it's a good call. I mean, no invest, no partner with local businesses where who have the potential, resources, and then they will go global, and will go beyond like if you go beyond that. No invest. At least at the end of the day, Venture is a profitable business. No invest them. I help. At the end of you are not a gawla. Maximum, you surely get it back. That for me, Nefobe is a good call. Second, the kangaroo court, hey, bro, Apenu Makila, for because Nefobe, another coin, the fee in the fear, because when never do a Jimmy Beggar, worry, be court and vow. Kakene, I went to another Jimmy, then I know he. No back into the court and a feeling though because many people party in the power that woman drawn and yana you because I've been marking this unfortunate man the ECG or allege they actually unfortunate out of not happy there actually or is all the time never cleaner when that can go court I know chief court here by Ocho evidence only. Every moment metaphor. That no metaphor. Why call them? How? No metaphor. There is no way I call them. I'm going to any amount of power. What does it mean? That we are getting vovon nawe to the create so be yo na mi to the vovon
Chama Ronaldinho que ele disse amor que ele disse questi pratichi questi pratichi viene dove può piensi studiare tutto mare comunale gakena lo mi lo mai e quello na io che vuoi dai make trust the photo process everybody then flag around the opposition and so ni constitution by 1992 tribunal constitution tribunal was before the 1992 constitution though the 1992 constitution as putas e examine the constitution dan otago tribunal magbimagolo takeke to medio ke democracy ba fanya yo ba se nyayo ko no dimi bo la ya jo ba tribunal no ku fa mo tribunal biru sa mo tribunal na ba mo na ka tribunal nge fu do me me tribunal concept
looking at pressure in the court, the court, yes, there was a land dispute today. Let me call it a court for about 5 years. All of them announced by the law of Victoria. Then they have tribunal, the tribunal. No one evidence only. No, the fact that another church or I'm because I present the document. evidence only. Why investigate and research? Oh, okay, now job, patapata. Oh, tamina chobo, and you have to cover it. Present to evidence, and you will accuse you, and you put the evidence give okay, I'm a evidence represented over signature care, over account maker, over number care, photo okay, a dafu, oh, a dafu. Wherefore, I say evidence only. Tamine ko
ya nkaina normal court ya militao ngaba o ma ku kamera as ko ye court maybe we go to send it no
pressure court and never judgment to ask you
imi na go fit for our economy na we be your 24 hours
Nova ko je ko me e jero ne ajo ne ka ne wo ke chero ta okay history be cho aka vala a ma va cho aka va eyibu aka aja ka kana district court
no be me 24 hours economy on
na ni wo wa cha cha no e je me structure o da structure so no wa na je ko me e ko be ma ya ni no le ka na je ko me ya no ga me be be o e je nu ke ko me to me e je nu because me to lay foundation e yo le ya be ba je ko mo foundation emelio that the government a collapse the kene jagba lay foundation structure lede yaji wa chura na me say be atukode o be on foundation I lay solid foundation foundation yes ya go me le tare ni be foundation be for ya me 24 hours
comment amaro na comment so let it chakara people are so that me nya salon so ko be message ko good morning boss Tony my boy, just load shedding news has broken my heart. And I'm watching you for like that has been off since CCM or CCM.
I think that was CCM yesterday.
6 p.m. Okay. All right. How we talking about going to that means 6 a.m. 6 p.m. I want to know. All right. We want to see Tony. Fokuma watching here. This is the joke too much. This is the joke too much. Why always go down on tea first? We suffer a lot. I'm going to gain a feeling we all cheat or I'm tea. Now, when you're a levy and for she ocho son of oh, please mark the message. But you know, only 30 seconds.
People agree to already. Over you're the dollar, you have a vote, transformers. I know there's an issue, the Yoke Power Generating Station.
Madenya Bomule Namugo, Ube, Nkena before because Ashanti, Georgia, become a routine team. Kakaka by 3, allo, Brecam, the drama, get to Ashanti, I want you, sir, Obi, Oshino by 10 a.m. Everybody, Ntoruma, Uchijo, a Junonaji, blah blah blah. Akafiaro who is a bag of roses on region here. Nya Roma Mali, Bomber machine no. Akake regional, a little Tanajo, Mitoma Chibata, Plano, and Chifian, you can decide between me and just anyway. Okay, message. Last one from me. I'm ready. I'm not going to say but the last one from me, I'm from Intrafara ECG. They should fear God. Tony, thank you for putting this in a platform. All right, thank you for that. Honorable, I don't get into you. This is honorable. Me that you see because people are so that I'm not gonna tell you. I don't know. Okay, you want to address the comments. So whoever you plan and you will share the democracy now. All right, the custodian. The custodian. Bawia eulogizes late Yana. Salutes new regent of that moment. Bawia
My mission is to make DMB president in 2023 Asante Mankoka. Asante Mankoka, how can you make anyway politics say that Mr. Asante Mankoka DMB 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 Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia JDM John Dramani Mahama DMB. All right. Ghana is not safe under NDC. Minority leader decries attack on free speech, selective justice. No to naysaying. No to naysaying. No to naysaying. Everybody should speak positive. We love our country. We love our nation. Ghana is sound. Ghana is peaceful. We have gold. We don't have galamsey. Things are going on well. All right. Ghana spent 2.84 billion cedis to import frozen chicken in 2025. Over akoko kutigiti ami mama una mo. Ojebe nya Pastor Fifia still bigger than Bogos, and look at that 2.84 billion. But you see, we have to do comparative analysis. 2024 enemies are going import. 2023 enemies, and that would have been too good. So the paper we should have done a comparative analysis and then 2024 though. All right, gold boosts Ghana's trade surplus to 148.3 billion 2025. Oh, we joke Shikai, but that become Gava, 148.3 billion. Honorable, take one.
Yeah, so I think and you make my join the Incubo Kitty project I have covered. And then this is any reason get out of the
my topic I have concrete, my belly two are concrete.
Yes, we have already imports. And then the idea a minute government call Google Kitty here, where I reduce my importation, where I create local taste for me locally produced poultry. For me, yes, in Google Kitty, I definitely come to JJ. Even though when I progress video, I can go my reduce import drastically had a call. Academic jail come and mile wale and no say come jeje no so so element amedo na kokoro obe go jeje o meto manage mi do edoku edo cheche agbe o sunu mu nya chumi tani o ka jiji ko ka le expand na kemi o ga le nya so kaka kwa ever so program tana me see ame eke sunu mo no to wo new dey o increase number o expand dey at the point yes me abe poultry importer I reduce. Because if it costs us well, one of cocoa play and processing, fine, and what that over stores one jajira. Many other the Naka dollar, see this I exchange to dollar, I can import cocoa to better. Yeah, me a president, yeah, obey me a reduce, obey me a water to that, me jacome. Me never this year the net jacoma, shake up video over, issues video over, kake astronomy chome. Yeah, nabe, the country that can make go jacome as the capua. Obago and one kill. That jogoma challenges over issues over kake wa se le yira ele wa address vide elo so vide kaka menya kwa ever zo emia ta yes me je ko kitikiti ekome me accept the challenges do over issues do kake me le no so chobi me le ngoyi and me le shop very soon now akuko kitikiti project ya be nu popo ke alo nu ke vision ke na president po alo ina be mi ko policy ya cover Ghana I implement ya ele shop be mi aje mi amo e be video po very soon already mi je ogome e pa mo be kokoro no ko o be pene nu yo ofia o le kwa yes amo toje chichi amo toje lane amo je nu wa mi le shop be am so some of them e do kuya I have testimonies where I share nami. Ta no kumia ta kwebe president ekwe vision kita and mile shobe cho pekia wu kakaba no nesedi and I knew some me to this very project. I reduce my poultry imports and I have a local demand for locally produced poultry products which are IGP.
All right, Myapon call out 0242670773. And your number, you can Tanza Akodo Ajapaklin 0242670773. And your number, you can Yatem Acho Ako Ado Ajapaklin. Mijiba Myapo Unkof, Ole Afi Kenele, Afi Nemyankosem. All right, so 0242670773. And your number, you can Natem Aza Ako. Dwaje Paklimi. Don't be you any play Honorable Elikem Chomobo Elemiapo. Dane we are Yonko and Honorable Elikalo Elikem. Yatayo Tony, I'm in all right. Number Nova messages, so Nova will be reading all your messages very soon. And don't put you empathy, like satellite G, and multi G, I will be the satellite G. The multi-G, Yomia 0242670773 is a number, and Nado Jochora, Nimakana Bafio, Nimakana Amumaku, now probably Aflama or the Yapology, if you have a Minkuna Monchimi, I think that I apologize, when Shamina Mayatan, when Yato Jody Shadi, Janaka, a Mujori. Amara Tarapungia or Ayana, Akamia Tobron, Akamiana, Oblon, the middle Yajo, Dana, Pedashian, you, Kapa, Magellan, Pedasio, okay, Mamma, when you have my doctor, I'm just sending you. That is the right thing, okay? So, all right, yeah, I sort of have to message check out out of the quality, sort of most of the so 0242670773. I'm already young, I can't answer calls now, please. You make the call answer 0242670773. All right, so after the message man control. But good morning and Black TV. I'm watching from Tagabet. The station is doing well, at least. You give us both sides of the story. Thank you. None of you have in young person to have one edition. You like any okay, so that's fine. That station is going okay, I think it's like we get it. So, I appreciate you on that and thank you for recognizing how we do our things. Okay, message to the watching you from Fudu. Tony, you are my favorite host. The way you handle this topic is thank you for that. Thank you for your prayers as well. Whatever you like, I program. Akbanu punya to right? Thank you for that. Miazoran Gomiano with the Karana that message me just a very quick one. All right. I remind you, Tony, to speak truth to power and gratitude. Thank you for bringing us all these stories. All right, thank you for that. Program night. All right, John, good morning, Tony. My boy John from Malawi. I respect you. You ask hard questions we want to hear. Okay, so those are what we have now. Abago, okay, I think we should do that. Okay, we don't have. All right, so by the telegraph regime, Okay, the custodian. Miss already the news center. Auditors flag 648.6 million MBA paid to RASL without evidence of verified maintenance works done. The MBPA for 648.6 million. RASL without evidence of verified maintenance. Where is that? Oh, baby, you tell me go do by a corner. Moment we pass chacha, the board. 400 oh, that's in here. Olo Gabo board to MPA Doba, Chorure RS Amagaman or Smart Afra for Junior. We don't apologize to you for ever. Maui Ronya. Where you Jeffrey calls for diaspora-led investment in Africa. That's a good one. Jeffrey, fuel prices surge, biting customers hard. Afina na do dampo akufuado na jole jijia. Diesel 17 series. Egba diesel 17.85, 17.45, 17.3. Diesel vashiva okatek. Aleko no le nana do dampo pangman. Congratulations to the NDC. All right, farmers who change from cocoa to other crops risk jail. Farmers who change from cocoa to other crops risk jail. Hey, nenyo cocoa bledela. Ye ko neba kala cocoa neba mukuklo chi obe fifia ya ba do nechi. Abale ko dire sama boy. Aklo chema unju biro. Last one here. MPP declares August is the move our rule of law concerns. Yaoudak bird. If you come on the butu na mi le Ghana. Ani baja hoso. Uja do chure to koya. MPP togo gono. Manya nyabe jogo wala uru amu na mashine medisi tochi. Nyawe nye yuko na kuchura. Hai pepa le soli palo.
Yo, après, l'élément que tu vas entendre to Russell, also known as South Africa. This contract was signed somewhere in December 2020 by NPA. There were installed trackers and trackers could allow monitor fuel levels where the system open. There were monitor fuel levels, volume, temperature, water content, the underground tanks when and then fuel station why install systems here out there, MPT water content levels of the nationwide. Okay, since 2020, he was signed contract under the NPP administration. Ghana is made. Ghana is the FRD, Mustafa Hamid. And everything I have signed me away.
Maymo.
As we and every case the OSP. Kaka, as we speak, Egbea, out of 3,443 systems, one store metal, so around 557 outstanding, which the install. Meanwhile, and then the other aspect in the functionality issues were about 48% of those systems are only functional. The whole install, woman install pretty for ever for gavel. Ever get whole install the system and about half of a year installer, then it go up. And we are not a bed. We bet America hit some Yapeka, then Macho Judge and Hoy. That demonstration my energy were on the 6th of August this month, this weekday. Man move me, I don't shake me ready. And look what Jemmy woman come Yapeka. Then I have a lesson over NPA over payment today. Yeah, even to yes, every day the fairly many do you better na payment ya with you. AEG under NPP. Over deliver with you. I can hold deliver chela half mele do wa ta je me bi chase we no make sure no deliver no make sure me e mo ho store na mia ele do wa ta me sure be ni abe NPA boss e bu jita me kura awo to ma no e me si body ba na NPA yo amowa susu be o ya e be anda ya be tena ya nu ma wiji e fo me be ta nu ma e yi
quick one nya ba gbo no nya me to myself me chief sauce anya was ni no ka ga ye ega o kina matemaji kwa mi tuna mao ABC or MPP mi tuna mao ka ke mi ma ya so ni tuna mao ko wa me yo ba me respecta na ko ji mi na ya so so do what you must do let the Lord me me ji wo da mo ngaka fa to kwa na to aka quickly still on that people on that people on that program nya de pa ji mo no na ku le ye ne ba ku ba de ko asu busunya na kana un ba bleka wo ba ta ba to mo nya ma
se ka e back statement ma the guy was statement
nya jojo afonye nya jojo ba no ma jo mi la ya ma nya so bi go mi la fi o mo la na ba se ma ya ra me I am a journalist. It means I am a generalist. Okay. Let's say okay. No, I'm a journalist. It means I'm a generalist. It means I have general knowledge about everything, not specific knowledge. Nya ale nya le kubloy. Over farmers. You see, we are not talking to laws. We are talking to the newspaper. We are speaking over the nanye bledela. No, what that's what the paper is saying.
No, you have a course of project management. If you have a T-shaped person, if you have knowledge, the open field, general knowledge, yes, but then other aspects whether perhaps more knowledge I can also
I may answer, I may not answer. So that's why I can ask you to talk to them.
Except that because then the management, they have the right to venture into. I believe we from the matter here, they are active. And at the time, I have a selling back, a selling back with the line, a cuckoo, blend the line, Mato Kata, a cuckoo.
Yes.
Then you have to, you have to
yes, there is.
Yes, you have to have a seller. Can I sell the giving I family because again, we could make I don't get the full story.
Okay, let me come in. I'll bring you back. Let me give you a background. Kokode, manye, mauma, teacher Chonya, Lenya Baja, Lumen Yatomito, Toby by Quille at the Bertoville. Manye Lavadiba, Watchole, and ne at the Dalai de Bergiri, Bush, Manye Robat Co, Mango, the Busho, Kaka Fernando Po. Yoi, at your back, go, Chobe, that the Pashi brings Coco to Ghana, Balonia. But I'm going to go say, you chop Banabe, you cook over, Oko in a gifia, Alaba, Ode Kuku, gamer, Weko, Jesus. Ocho in a Croponto of mountains where I went. So it was government investment that I brought Kosi. Takuku, when you buy na tungo, abashashi. Essay, Dogo Shaka, Tana, Kamina, because that's not acceptable. Tana, Chuku, Leabella, Ejabinashi, Ashan, license produced by us. Jibu, the Ramaro, Propagashi. I feel like PVC produced by a company. I feel like so that's the law. And that is what it was. If you are Gubu, I'm going to be to Gaia because no, Lamawi, I don't know how the CEO.
So the one who okay, government will allow yes, government investment. So the city is the government economy free, and then economy free. the other incentives were they. So I think that's I think I can be for another
Yeah, so Coco, I can assure you, buddy, I have limited knowledge, but no matter how scant the knowledge is, it's relevant. But yeah, you go and I'm going no. Even in UK, actually, no matter never, but the UK, never actually jam, then by the 5th to 7th time, Mungkin ada buat siapa nabi bu orang nak tony ke your city authorities or AMA aku pernah cakap you can't cut down the industry apa utu apa masih utu di bawah kerana cakap itu trust me say don't mind no aku bila aku afraid aku all the way but I can assure you that it's from that bill that this is happening. It's from that bill. Oh, say, Tanya would be a kuli, Banani, and I'm a copy. Yan, oh, Sakakia, because President signed, the sign of Africa, that oh, say, Coco board bill. On Friday, I was watching live on TV when it was past. It's just for which, but I told you coaching more, not drama. Big messages, so messages are coming in. Let's just do messages and go to the big papers and we can just 4 minutes. Okay. Me, I'm a father message to Ndinami, I'm a far from it. If Coco found spores, must I still plant it? This law doesn't make sense at all. If Coco found spores, must I still plant it? As a way I come, nay, that plenty. They are Uber Mega, Lemco, she may Chiaro, Lichiaro, we don't. Nyagong, Tanaga, and we see the room. Evidently, they're good job, good shitty, and one of the this guy with the HT, the dog, and one cat, I don't cat now. I don't like the video. The law doesn't make sense, according to from Good morning, boss Tony McBoy, John from Abla. I respect you. You didn't ask the guests hard questions. We want to be everybody will answer on the floor. And the guests also give you the answers. Yeah, I'm not a constituency. He's one of my favorite trustees. All right, in Dinami, Esnam from Dabe. I admire you, Tony. You speak to. I think we read it already. Esnam, all right, officially from Bo, the government should support the non-threatened with jail. Cocoa price is too low. I'm going to 3,600 Cassia, prudent economics, we over 2,400. You are too The Ghanaian speak don't assent to tribunals bill when you're marking. UCC must train problem solvers, not rote learners. Major Jew and poor Jim Yolo, Sam Jonah Plum. Tema Orphaner is back, ready to champion energy scrutiny. Please, I can't take more messages now. Prioritize employment-led youth. ESA tells government. Government records 148 billion trade surplus in 2025 due to what? Okay, so big money or big Africa. Tamara Orphaner is back in operation. Okay, I mean, President Mahama commissions refurbished facilities. Greater Works 2026 begins today. Mikbo Sofo Gamwa, I'm a talking Dr. Mesa Table. Greater Works Legenda again. You pay them.
Ghana Integrated Petroleum Hub Touchstone Capital Partners rallies through billion investment in phase 1. Don't assent to tribunals bill. We don't want any chobwe kangaroo court. Honorable, final comments in 1 minute, and we will be done.
It's just unfortunate the guy can use me up and maybe then we are going to play the NDC family.
I mean, Baba don't still let you down when you're the bereaved families were play. I may actually they say and then court whatever the tribunal, regional district tribunal, whatever that corner, no, no metaphor. Present to back his evidence way. Oba mama ya call back go chobwe ele mama la chobwe go straight
no way over right to you is not right to them me demonstrate I no demonstrate
Tane demonstration is Thursday energy Thursday la game mi go do get for sport
the manhole
Elegant, some vo e nyama ko to ke no bonye Tony Magbueno so kwa kata be mi cha bonyi ba TV ekpo le ka ko be bi siam na da kwa na mi apo ho titina ma chiam to ma ji kola e kanyo Richmond Edem Kofi Koto Suba Choga Biare de Achegona mi akọ wo na na me kata do nya panya bo re nya po ngom ko to kata na mau na yami akbana mi eyi chacha me chita de mi ba to nya ya ke ma bo mo kenya to ma ga na reach stitches ito ya na yo number 0246256300 jadi ga do ya for free 0246256300 tayo o akbara mi ra to Tony Magbueno kama lenyona mi ngami ko ba petro bye bye.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya tepe. Mais si dictionary akara ka so afi e passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton ya. Standard ya. Enyona de bio kanu le basic level, enyona ame kanu le SHS, enyona ame kanu le university, alo le language on, nenya me ke manya be view, e bi a strong be kra ha, no silence ever English dictionary, enyona ha, ame sia me ke nenya be view mo jura po, e bi a strong be ha, no silence ever English dictionary, enyo na wa mama, nele dile boso so madana na kula, atia place order le Amazon, alo number ke na call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the kana WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your Strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie le nyema you can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go, get the boy. I too much ready toy. When you warms, but a killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
That another Abraham, if you got a kind of lay, a party to point for boy hour. But the husband that did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party talk with Yakokatara.
Well, I'm not go.
Vai, but I can use to go. Intermiga that as a Cremonton talk. Vola Patica, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola talk? You man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to ona wala masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojile agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eva senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola
Efi valão, a proli le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domadu le fuda now, a chita padaka, o futo makata, mele to wonyi dewa, eti maklo no ba, na ile vola heba center, ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park, afima na kodo, wotu akame, wa futo, wo fukame, fukame tutu dokata, vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Deveneva. Come on.
Vola. Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo ye vo.
Nane mano monsieur